Hi, I'm Ina Khazan from the Boston Center for Health Psychology and Biofeedback. Today we're going to show you a procedure for recording and interpreting a psychophysiological stress profile. We'll use this procedure to help figure out people's reactions to stress, identify unhelpful reactions, and then help people modify these reactions. So let's get started.
This procedure uses the Physiolab i330C2 Plus with 12 channels. To begin the procedure, attach the EMG lead to port A, the ECG lead to port B, the combined skin conductance temperature ground sensor to port C, and the breathing belt to port D. Prepare the subject's skin by gently rubbing with an alcohol wipe. Start with the forehead above the eyes for the EMG sensor. Then wipe the inside of both of the subject's wrists for the ECG sensor. Last, wipe the back of the subject's left hand for the ground electrode. Next, start attaching the sensors. Ask the subject to wrap the breathing belt around their waist, making sure that the pressure gauge is in the front and the belt is not twisted. Place the EMG sensors on the subject's forehead above each eye.